been a week or two. I don't remember how long since we posted the video, but today we got a thermostat housing over there for the film.
Still leaking, even after Tectic Sam fixed it, so we know that it's bad. When Tectic Sam fixed it, and it didn't work.
All right. So get the right side.
I don't think anybody's seen Tectic Sam's tools though.
No.
We just use his tools because they're just sitting here and he lets us use them, so.
I mean, they're here, mine hot.
Right. He never
so in
has.
case you need to do this, you'll need an 8mm.
Well, there's never any 10mm, so luckily it's not that size.
We're all out. Only if you're scanning, you know why.
Yeah.
But, I mean,
got a cold air intake on there now. Do a radiator hose. Thermostat coming soon. I know everybody's gonna be asking, where's Tectic Sam? Well, he's on vacation again.
still can't afford it either.
Well, and he's on vacation, so he takes a lot of vacation time.
He makes enough, so.
Yeah, well, 2 credit cards and all that stuff. Oh, yeah, he got rid of his credit cards.
Yeah.
Oh, the DJs.
Okay guys, so we got the hose off, just pulling the last bolt on the housing here. 3 bolts. Housing comes off. There's the old one. Take the old seal off. Turn that out.
It's on fire. It's always good when stuff's on fire.
Yeah, it's okay. Grab the box over there. There's the 2 parts. You see that? Good.
Everybody go buy one.
Yeah. No, it doesn't help me out. No, there's no coat. Yes, you can put everything back and return all the old stuff.
Oh yeah, obviously.
Smart am I not? Alright, you know?
Right, sure.
This guy's fresh. Black. Rust free. Just put that on there. Bolts. Put them in and we'll come back to you when we're done with this.
Guys, just finishing up, putting the hose on there. Show you around here some of our projects and stuff and updates. Tell you what we're doing with stuff. Try and get that done. Finish this up. Yeah, stay tuned. Guys, just finishing up, putting the hose on there. Show you around here some of our projects and stuff and updates. Tell you what we're doing with stuff. Try and get that done once we finish this up. So yeah, stay tuned.
It's showtime!
What is this?
Guys, we got a 1996 Ford Taurus SHO here.
true beauty right here, right?
V8 engine, okay? Front wheel drive. Faster than your Dodge coming.
No way. Faster than your Dodge. What are we gonna do to this thing? Straight pipes.
SHO. Yeah, we're gonna straight pipe it and drive it through the town of Jamestown.
Oh boy.
First gear.
And if we get 1 million likes, we'll jump it off this cliff over here. Okay. It's pretty steep one, so.
Yeah, so get us up there.
Yeah, should be pretty easy. No, I pulled you over. Exhaust, can't have it. Pulled you over, exhaust, still can't have it. Yeah, that. What's this thing rev out to?
$7 grand.
No way. What are we doing with it? Double din radio, 6/4 swap.
We're revving it.
Take you for a rip. Oh, you can't afford insurance. Who said you could drive Tactic Sam's car? Did he give you permission while he's on vacation? I don't think he did. Told me to tell nobody to use this thing. And here you are using it. This is why Tactic Sam can't be in the videos. Don't hit Sam's power stroke. Tactic Sam's gonna have to take that over now. Well, he's already trying to take it off the cliff without 1 million views. Getting stuck, guys. Okay, now we're stuck.
Feel that transmission?
Yeah.
It's not there.
Yeah, that's why we have to fix it. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
It's that torque converter not locking in. That's
Looking
what
like
it is.
it's not doing anything. Oh yeah, you can smell it burning and everything. Smells like fresh burnt transmission fluid.
Yeah, I'm a little far away.
Yeah, just a little bit. That's why you have mirrors.
I know.
Alright guys, so that's what's going on with the show. We're going to show you some other stuff that's happening right now, and yeah.